What is up, guys? Welcome to Garage 23, and today we are picking up some parts from a very special location, Trust Kikaku.
So here's the shipping area. We prepare the shipping for domestic and also international shipping.
Okay.
And here we keep all the used parts and new parts upstairs.
すごい。
And all the engines and transmissions are there. I think you will have your quarter panel soon.
Oh, this is the quarter panel?
Yeah.
So
In
this
the container.
this is what we bought for our car. So by the time this video comes out, you guys should already know about our purchase here. And this is one of the bigger purchases we made, and we purchased from Trust Kikaku because they had the best price and the best availability. So big.
Yeah, it's very big. This is for R34, and the wooden box is for R33.
Oh, okay.
Even bigger.
Wow. That would be difficult to ship.
Yeah. Has all the bonnets here. All the engines, transmissions.
So you guys have used engines as well as new engines?
New engine, yeah, very few. So we have some RB26 new condition.
How much do those cost right now?
Yeah, you'll be shocked.
Millions?
Yeah. It's just our number.
Inventory?
Inventory number, yeah.
And this is all bought on the website? Or just
It's on the, yeah, it's all on Yahoo auction actually. Yeah. But if the customer in overseas like you, if you contact us, we can of course ship the engine and transmission directly to you without, go through the third party.
It's very convenient.
Yeah.
The GTR transmissions?
Yeah, I think it's written here now
32. I think we need one of those later. We'll call you guys.
Okay, yeah. You can see those the box.
Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4. That is a new engine, RB26.
Oh, so those are in stock. People can buy right now.
Can buy right now, but we set up very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the inside of Trust Kikaku's warehouse. Like I said, if you guys want to pick something up, you guys can check out their Yahoo auctions or contact them directly. They can always ship to you directly to the US. If you want to come here, if you happen to be in Japan, it's recommended to make an appointment, and then you can come by and check it out yourself. For now, I think they're going to show us their inventory of cars outside. So let's go check that out.
These are security alarm.
Oh, that white 32 is nice.
so it's not just skyline, you also sell
Yeah, other cars.
Stagia. Stagia daisuki desu. So this is a 260 RS. So this is basically an R33 GTR, but with room for your family. I love these. Takumi. C31, Supra, 180SX, Evo, R33 GTR. Oh, nice S2000. So you guys do importing and everything, or exporting also, right?
Exporting also, yes.
So I saw you guys just started posting on your YouTube channel, correct?
Yeah.
With cars that are for sale now?
Yes, that's right. Just we started in April or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this year. And before we were just doing the parts export.
Right.
Yeah, but this year we started export the car.
So in Samet's video, he mentioned that people could buy a bare shell. Is that actually possible?
Yes, it's possible. We don't have the like R34 shell. We
Right.
have a lot of,
It's just whatever you guys
32,
have,
yeah.
like Stages shell.
Yeah.
Or you think buy a Stages shell and put a V8 in it? Oh wow, those all Skylines?
Yeah, this side are all skylines.
Yeah, that's the thumbnail.
Yeah, 1998
Hi.
and 1999, 2000.
Okay. That's incredible. How long have you guys been collecting?
It took like more than, I don't know, 6-7 years.
Wow.
Because our boss has started to buy a lot of skyline, especially R34.
Mm. Yeah, he was smart. He'd start early.
Yeah, he said that it's kind of gambling.
Mm. Yeah, a little bit. But it looks like it's gonna pay off.
You get customers from the US and Canada or
Canada, Australia. Actually, we have the customer from like everywhere, but mainly USA and Australia. And recently, we have a lot of customers from UAE.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think the US is probably the bigger customer, just because we never got the car. Australia got Skylines,
Yeah.
and Dubai. I'm not sure about UAE because there's always been.
Convert from right-hand drive to.
Oh, that's right. Like they have to make it left-hand drive. Yeah, 'cause if you guys will recall, like back in the old school forum days, there was pictures of an R34 GTR, but it was left-hand drive, and everybody was saying it's fake. The picture was just flipped and photoshopped, but that's because Dubai requires the car to be left-hand drive, or else they won't let you import it. So that's a good thing to know. Is that one? That's a GTT, right?
Yes, I think it's GTT or non-turbo.
But have the GTR front bumper?
Has a GTR style.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like it was modified to. That's another thing I was wondering, is if you could just fit a GTR bumper on a GTT, but it looks like you kind of can't, because obviously the GTR is wider, so it looks like here that they narrowed the bumper basically to fit on the GTT fenders. So you might have to figure out a way around that. Oh, yellow. What was the name? Kaminari yellow?
Yeah, Kaminari yellow, lightning yellow.
Badass.
That's a super rare color for an R34.
Cars in this line are listed on our website.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because these are
For sale right now?
1998.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so if you guys are in the market for an R34, all these are available. They're ready to export since they're 1998 cars, so they'll be eligible this year once they turn 25. and they got a good selection. Also, like, this one has GTR fenders. Seems whiter. And the rear. Oh, that's another thing. The quarter panels, they don't, the gas cap is separate, correct?
Yes, it's separated.
Do you guys have a gas cap?
I think we have in stock.
Would I be able to buy that today too?
Yes, sure.
Okay, because I forgot that's two pieces. This is kind of what we want to do, but no rivets.
Okay.
Original.
Original.
Right. God, this yellow one's so clean. Oh, this has a different spoiler.
Screams sticky.
Mickey, it's all you. And that red one's nice too. So we'll probably include it in the video of our Skyline, but we were actually looking for a red one initially. But red is another super rare color. It's probably like the second rarest, and yellow is probably the rarest. And the only one I could find within our budget was not in the greatest condition, and it was still pretty expensive, so we ended up going with our second choice, which was black. You guys know black, you know, looks great on all our cars. That's the color of our fleet basically. But yeah, they have a really good example of a red 34 here. Looks like it's also a GTT. Got the turbo brakes, manual also. That'd be a really nice one to pick up. All right, so that's gonna do it for Trust Kikaku's outdoor inventory of what they have for sale right now. And since we forgot to pick up the gas cap for our quarter fenders, we're gonna go pick that up right now. Oh, Nismo. Thank you. This is our fuel filler lid for the GTR. And we had to buy a shirt. And nice Nismo slippies. They didn't wear clean socks today. They're so nice here. They're gracious enough to even give us free drinks, and of course accommodate us for a little tour for a video for you guys. So it's super awesome. They're really nice here. All right, that's gonna do it for our visit to Trust Kikaku. We'd like to give a huge thanks to Maya, our customer service representative that helped us out through this whole process and was super nice and very accommodating for us and gave us a little tour and everything and let you guys come along for the ride. So needless to say, if you guys need any help with importing a car or purchasing a Skyline, they have a huge selection that's available and on their website if you guys wanna check that out. We'll have the link down below. And of course their parts, they have a huge inventory. You guys saw their huge warehouse, and they had parts that even Nissan didn't have because we were looking for the rear bumper lights for our Skyline and Omori Factory didn't have them, but Trust Kikaku did. So if you guys need anything, you guys know who to hit up. See you guys later.